Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or set up complete employee exit formality reminder in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your workflow in automation here in the top right corner. If you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box and then type workflow automation and then click on it. Then you will find a lot of templates here, but we're gonna use or we're gonna create new one. You can click this plus green icon, green button, and then for this we're gonna choose employee, obviously, and then choose reminder, and then click next. And then you can name it maybe, you know, employee exit formality reminder, and then send reminder maybe 14 days or 30 days, it's up to you, before employees where is it, before employees last day. And then you can set up the time and you can choose to send a company email, and then you can choose when will this happen. Active is yes, and then you can create, save, and turn on. Yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.